Today's women have broken the glass ceilings and are wailing shoulder to shoulder with men in every walk of life. But there are certain fields and domains in which women have always dominated men. These fields, while traditionally known as stronghold for women candidates, are also ideal for girl students of today who want to build a successful and prosperous career ahead. Hi, I am Firdaus Mudassir and welcome to my channel Women in Childcare. In today's video, we are discussing top 15 job-oriented courses for women. So if you are a young girl student searching for women-centric courses that can give you ample career opportunities along with respectable salary and growth, you must consider joining any of the below mentioned courses for your graduate level studies. Number 1, digital marketing courses. With the advent of your digital media platforms, every organization is aiming towards building a strong online presence and reaching their audience on a global level. Amongst the most popular job oriented courses for women, you can learn about this ever growing field through different programs, be it Google digital marketing courses, diploma in digital marketing, or full fledged degree courses. Opting for a course in digital marketing, you will get to learn about SEO optimization, online marketing tools, techniques, as well as varied other essentials to build a successful career in this field. Number 2, anchoring. Another career field that is growing significantly, especially for girl students, has to be anchoring. With the popularity of news channels and TV shows on the rise, the demand for professional anchors who can connect with the audiences and drive the conversation ahead. Girls with their pleasant personality are always preferred to the first choice when it comes to show anchoring. Much similar to modeling career, anchors do enjoy the privilege of high pay packages along with the name and fame which goes with the job. Number 3, interior designing courses. Another key mention in our list of job oriented courses for women, interior designing is an artistic domain of study and offers the much needed flexibility of pursuing work assignments for those who have settled in a married life. It is perfect for those who love curating scintillating spaces with striking designs and pursuing interior designing courses. You will be imparted with knowledge of color themes, styling a residential or corporate space, using the right materials to fill a physical space, amongst the others. Further, after completing this course, you can opt for freelancing assignments or associate yourself with a design company and take projects as per your convenience. Number 4, teaching. Teaching is one evergreen career option that is always open for girl students. In fact, recent data coming in from across the country shows that maximum candidates graduating under B.Ed courses are girl students. Teaching is a very noble and well respected profession, and to train young minds requires a lot of patience, which one of the primary traits of female personality, making girls the ideal fit for teaching jobs. Apart from being well respected, teaching courses are also preferred by girl students because they are safe career options which are always in demand. Number 5, video editing courses. As videos are becoming the most popular mediums of entertainment in the world of social media, there are numerous promising opportunities available in videography and video editing, especially on a part time and freelance basis. A wide range of video and film editing courses and videography courses are offered in online and offline mode, which you can explore to familiarize yourself with major editing software applications and related knowledge. Number 6, fashion designing. Think about fashion, and the first thing that strikes your mind is young and beautiful girls dressed in impeccable clothing walking down the ramp. The mesmerizing clothing which you see there is created by fashion designers. Fashion designers are the magicians who weave their magic on simple clothes to create these marvelous creations that capture the imagination of youngsters. While men have entered the fray in recent years as far as fashion designing as a career choice is concerned, but despite this, the field primarily remains dominated by female fashion designers. If you love clothes and fashion, plus have the creativity to match it, fashion designing can be the ideal career choice for you. Number 7. Foreign language courses. Pursuing foreign language courses are an effective way to restart your career at any age. The scope of a career in foreign language is rising, and there are several multinational companies who are looking for professionals with linguistic dexterity in two or more languages. Pursuing a foreign language course can help you explore various career opportunities in both public and private sector globally. Women who have a knack of reading can explore career prospects like translators, interpreters, and teachers, and job opportunities in international embassies as well. As one of the popular courses for women, it can help you explore different cultures and find work opportunities across the globe. Number 8. Journalism and mass communication. Women continue to rule in the field of journalism, and armed with a degree in mass communication or journalism, you can too. Whether you want to work in radio, print media, television, or digital media in any capacity, make sure you have the basics right by getting a right education in this field. Number 9. Makeup and hairstyling courses. The requirement for professional makeup and hairstylists is rapidly increasing around the world with the advent of digital makeup. In the field of beauty and skincare, you can explore several career opportunities in bridal makeup, personal grooming, as well as in the fashion and entertainment industry. Studying the art of makeup can prove highly rewarding for those with a unique sense of aesthetics and colors. As one of the popular courses for women, hairstyling and makeup artist courses will equip you with the practical skills that are essential in a plethora of fields related to skincare, such as cosmetology, nail art, and hair care, thus preparing you to enter the thriving beauty industry. Number 10. Child psychology courses. This is a highly recommended course for women who wish to pursue a career in psychology. Child psychology courses will familiarize you with the psychology and behavior patterns of children of all ages, from a newborn child to toddler and to grown up teens. The course will also help candidates to inculcate the necessary skills required to understand the physical and psychological needs of babies, toddlers, and teens, as well as attending to their needs. In addition, they will equip you with the knowledge of creating a safe environment for children to grow and learn on their own. Thus, if you are a woman and you are compassionate and love for children, want you to enter this field of study, then this is one of the excellent job oriented courses for women. Number 11. Entrepreneurship courses. Being a businesswoman feels like being a queen in today's world. It is not an easy cakewalk to become an entrepreneur and start with your own venture. If you have the right skills, knowledge, understanding about the market that you want to enter, and information regarding your competitors, you can easily kickstart your career by commencing your own business or becoming a partner or an investor in an existing business. Women can take entrepreneurship courses online and can easily upgrade their skills and knowledge. Hence, entrepreneurship is also a perfect example of job oriented courses for women. Number 12. Content writing courses. We are living in the era of ever flowing information where any kind and any type of information is freely available with just one click. The field of content writing is a very in demand arena nowadays, as you can work full time, part time, or freelance as a content writer. Hence, people are in search of great content writers who can produce content on specific theme, topics, and so on. So, if you think that you have a niche in writing content and have excellent writing skills, then you can become a content writer to kickstart your career again. Being a woman, too. There are many certified content writing courses and diplomas that are easily available online, which can be completed by women at their own convenience. Thus, content writing is another crucial addition in our list of top courses for women which you must explore. Number 13, cooking courses. Thanks to the pandemic for making us all passionate about cooking at home. Believe it or not, for those who don't even have a knack in cooking, they were also enjoying the lockdown cooking sessions at homes. So, if you wish to learn how to cook different cuisines, desserts, bakery items, and whatnot, then you can easily learn it via different cooking classes or courses that are available online. After discovering your niche cuisine or dishes, you can start with your own cafe or food delivery ventures from home. Some women even pursue and start their own tiffin services and earn good handsome amount of money. Thus, you must consider cooking courses for women as it can encourage you towards an entrepreneurial venture. Number 14, dance courses. Whether you want to pursue a career in classical or western dance, or you are fascinated by aerobic and Zumba dance for fitness, dance courses are amongst the most popular in women. You can sign up for a dance class at a nearby institute or even watch online tutorials or videos and learn your favorite dance at home. Dance therapy is also emerging as a popular specialization in the contemporary times because it has been found dance has the potential to combat certain human disorders such as depression, anxiety, mood swings, obesity, and many more. So, kick your feet up and sign up for a dance course to master your favorite art form, and don't forget to have fun while learning. And with this, we come to the last recommendation, which is graphic designing courses. For those passionate towards drawing, sketching, painting, and visual storytelling, graphic designing courses are the best option to choose. Another key mention in our list of courses for women, these programs will equip you with the knowledge of image creating and editing software applications, along with typography, motion graphics, and how to transform simple stories into compelling images. Completing a degree or diploma in this field, you can work as a freelance graphic designer or open your own design startup and even explore full time career opportunities across different sectors. So, folks, that's it from me in this video. If you have liked this video and the other videos on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon. You can also follow me on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. In case of any doubt, query, or inquiry, make sure you write to us on the email ID given in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.